Is the bird buffering? Is the bird buffering? Oh, it's better. The bird stopped. What are you going to do? What you can do? You can touch it. Touch a bird. Watch. Watch your hand. We took it to bird. Do it. George, look. Yeah, I'm exploiting you. What? The bird stopped. Better touch it. Touch a bird. Touch a bird. Touch the bird. George, you gonna make the bird move again? Touch the bird. The bird stopped. What are you gonna do? Don't touch the bird. Touch George. Touch the bird. You gonna get it, George? Touch the bird. Touch the bird. No, he'll do it. You touch the bird. Touch it, George. Touch. Go boop. He's figuring it out. Boop. Get it, George. Touch the bird. Good boy. You did it. Good job. Good boy. Do you really have it? Let's see. The bird stopped. What are you going to do? George, are you going to touch the bird? You going to touch it? Touch the bird. Touch it. George, touch the bird. Good boy. Good boy. You got that new skill.